Welcome. This is your time. Allow yourself to step back from the demands and stresses of the day, to find an oasis of calm and stillness within yourself. Gently close your eyes and let the muscles in your face, neck, and shoulders relax. Feel the natural rise and fall of your breath. If a thought comes, let it dissolve in the rhythm of your breathing. Let's begin. A rainy morning. A young woman in a wheelchair, wearing a black nylon poncho spattered with rain, is pushing herself through the morning. You have seen how pianists sometimes bend forward to strike the keys, then lift their hands, draw back to rest, then lean again to strike just as the chord fades. Such is the way this woman strikes at the wheels, then lifts her long white fingers, letting them float, then bends again to strike just as the chair slows, as if into a silence. So expertly she plays the chords of this difficult music she has mastered, her wet face beautiful in its concentration, while the wind turns the pages of rain.